Hello everyone, welcome to all channels. My name is Edirita of A.O.R.E. Today we'll be talking on steps to make a compost soil. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comments if you have any suggestion or questions. Don't forget to invite your friends, your family members, your loved ones, everyone around you, your neighbors to come over. The first thing you will need is get a site. If you don't have a site, like a field or an open field or a compost bin where you'll be able to transfer whatever you've mixed into the compost bin. If you plan on making use of a compost bin, the compost bin must have holes in them. Other tools needed for composting include shovel, hose, pitchfork, compost thermometer, buckets, among others. Select a site that is close to where water is available and where it's accessible, and also select a site that has a shade so it will be convenient and you'll be able to work effectively. Things to compost include leaves, coffee or tea grounds, grasses, veggie scraps, eggshell, plant materials, fruit peels, and things we can't compost are bones, meat, pet waste, diseased plants, weed with seeds, among others. So know what you can add to a compost and what not to add to a compost to make a good compost. Also, there are things that we should compose with care, which are ashes and citrus leaves, among others. Procedures for composting. Step 1. Fill the compost bin or field with more of brown compost material to green compost materials. What are green compost materials? Green compost materials are nitrogen-rich materials. They are wet and colorful. They include veggies, green grasses, green plant materials, fruits, peels, coffee or tea grounds, among others, while brown compost materials are carbon rich and they are dried. They include dry brown leaves and grasses, eggshells, hairs and straws, shredded papers, among others. So when mixing the compost materials, you mix the brown one with a higher ratio to the green one with a lower ratio, maybe something like 3:1. Then add a little bit of water to it, mix together with shovel or pitchfork and leave it for a day or two, and then use thermometer to check the temperature or the heat of the pile to see if it's getting warmer, because when it's getting warmer it means the decomposition is taking place and it means your work is in progress. Add water again a day or two after and mix it again to allow aeration and leave it for a day or two and check again, and do this continuously till it has its finished products, which is the finished compost looks dark brown and crumbles and has an earthly smell. That's how you make a compost. Interesting, isn't it? When you make a compost, and it's not just for only adults, children are involved. You can easily make the children, involve them into even doing the composting as part of their practical work at school. And also even parents, you can do it, workers. There is nobody that can be involved. And when you see the products, the finished products, you will know that, okay, yes, this is my effort and